so I'm gonna need to learn how to take out this bathtub. That shit stinks really bad. Yeah, I'm gonna replace this whole floor. That's what we're doing with here, guys. Now this is gonna be the job today. Alright, so I finally found a structural piece that I can add some wood to. The new piece right there, bracing these up where the wall don't fall, and then I can do the same thing to the rest. The pieces that are bad, I'm gonna have to go all the way around the house and put new shit. They're gonna say, oh my god. Alright guys, so I've done a frick ton of work. We doing some construction work right here, boy. Look at that shit. I gotta rip out that corner. It's holding up nothing. Partial wall right here, holding up the ceiling, so I can replace everything on the ground right here. Boom, son. Remember when I walked in, there's a bunch of trash right here. Walk in and look at this sucker. So look, all the way under there, I replaced, that's that metal beam I was talking about. There's the beams going all the way across. Finishing it up tomorrow, but just putting this structure down just so I can work in here actually. I'm gonna climb out and show you guys. But yeah, that's freaking insane. Y'all remember how it looked before. Everything's completely brand new. Yeah, everything's brand new. I'm gonna walk out here and show you guys outside too. But yeah, right there where I cut, you can see the wood difference. Brand new wood, bad wood. All this crap. Like how these are, do that over there. And then I can start doing the floor over here because these floor joists are still bad. They're not nearly as bad as these. Pretty freaking insane. Yeah, you can see on the outside of the house, brand new wood sitting on top of this beam right here. And I've got to stick bolts in the bottom right here. You see where that hole is? I did it over here. Yeah, you can see I did them over here. Some things are not moving. That freaking thing is down in there. Yeah, there's all the brand new fresh wood. This part of the house isn't going nowhere. It's freaking on there, son. Turning this thing into a $70,000 house. Yeah, I've got some work done now, boy. Woo!